Good evening. Thank you for watching my inaugural video. Tonight, I would love to earn some feedback from you about a specific solution that I am building with an eye towards employers and employees in the life insurance business. I've been building some technology-based solutions for business ventures that I'm involved with over the past year, including commercial real estate, employee benefits, insurance, as well as some solutions for small and mid-market employers. I also spent time over the past year working on modeling some personal financial advisory programs to illustrate the effects of inflation, time value of money, and sequence of returns risk on individual investors. That's been a matter of personal curiosity as a result of some reading that I've been doing, including the books of Nassim Taleb. And consequently, I've also invested some energy into modeling Monte Carlo simulators for retirement readiness. Now, as I've been working on these projects, I've been thinking about some innovations in the life insurance business that I've noticed arising from firms like Lemonade, Ethos, and Policy Genius. And these firms have demonstrated how insurers can keep prices competitive for the consumer and simplify underwriting to limit, in some cases, the need at all for medical exams and medical record reviews. So I've invested some energy and time with a colleague to build a digitally focused strategy to a target market of finance professionals to keep policy costs low and underwriting simple, with a value proposition that includes some cool financial widgets to help the client make great decisions about their insurance strategies. I also invested into some market research last week to talk with friends, mostly classmates from business school at NYU Stern and from my undergraduate days at Penn State. All the people I talked with are in corporate finance functions, otherwise in some sort of a financial services business. I had some pretty big surprises in those calls. In particular, every person I talked with articulated knowing they have life insurance at their work, but not necessarily understanding exactly what it is, and not feeling like they have a good command of the pros and cons of choices, such as the different types of insurance products, the amount they should buy, and how these things should fit from an overall perspective into their financial plan. So based on these interviews, we're revisiting our model from direct to consumer to human resources and considering whether we can solve some needs from a benefit communication perspective for HR teams and potentially access some prospective customers as a consequence who can fill financial gaps with products that we sell without having to go through payroll. So if you're in human resources and have thoughts about problems that you have and ways that an organization might serve to better communicate or support employees relative to employee benefit communications or general financial advisory matters, please give me a call as we think more about our strategy in this space. Thank you again for watching my inaugural video, and I hope you have a wonderful night.